guys, welcome back to Festive Forever. As you all know that on my channel all we talk about is food. Corona virus का फेस चल रहा है and we need to save all the money in this entire world. But being a foodie मुझे अच्छा खाना खाने का मन भी करता है. So in today's video I have called everything under 200 rupees and I have tried to get the best options possible. So without any delay, let's get started. So I'm gonna begin my vlog with this very beautiful starter right over here from Sigri. The packaging is okay and I think it's little messed up, but it's not their fault. It's probably the delivery guy. And let's just open it. This is my bill. And here we have our amazing tandoori chicken. Some chutney I can see. Okay, there is some chutney. And something else is also there. This is their salad, like normal salad. Let's just open everything. Everything is in foil wrap. So let me tell you the details. This tandoori chicken is for 240 rupees, but I got 100 rupees off and it costed me for 157 rupees. Tandoori chicken in quantity is half and this is from Sigri, as I mentioned earlier. So let's just go ahead and jump into this. Okay, so here we also have chutney. I'm just gonna keep it aside, but the chutney quantity is quite good for this tandoori chicken. So the chicken looks absolutely stunning. Oh my god, it's bright red color and it's loaded with so much of spices and masala, and actually I can smell tandoor masala a lot, like it's a lot. And if you guys can see that the masala is all over foil, itna sara masala hai ki I'm guessing that it's going to be really spicy. The chicken quantity is really good and the pieces are quite big and the flesh is actually a lot. It's not like कि सारा bone है, काफ़ी ज़्यादा flesh है and the smell is so divine. I cannot tell you कि कितना अच्छा flavor और smell आ रहा है. I just loved it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and take a bite. Also I forgot to mention कि यहाँ पे they have also given some salad. It's like normal cabbage, onions and loaded with some masala. So this also looks quite good. Some people like to have some kind of salad with tandoori chicken. I'm not that kind of a person. I just love to have tandoori chickens. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a bite. It looks absolutely stunning. Wow, it's so tasty. I loved it. It's like my kind of thing. I love when tandoori chicken is loaded with lots of masala and I can taste the spicy flavor. All the burnt marks that you are seeing here is tasting kinda good when you're having tandoori chicken. It's very important कि जो flesh है वो थोड़ा burnt हो, so that it gives a kinda good charcoal and tandoor taste, and I think it goes very well with this. It's loaded with so much of masala कि मेरे fingers पे भी आ गया. तो बहुत ही बढ़िया है. It tastes absolutely stunning guys, and if you get a chance for 157 rupees, this could be your golden deal. Wow. Moving on, the next thing that we have over here are these paratha from Oi Kidan. Let me just go ahead and open it. So what exactly happened over here, that the paratha was for rupees 150 something, and then actually they gave me that offer one-on-one, so I got this for free. Like one paratha I got it for free and I felt that it was quite a good deal. Like 187 rupees mein you're getting two parathas, which is quite good, and one is cheese paratha and the other one is chicken paratha. Which one is what, I don't know exactly. For that I have to open it. So let's just go ahead and open this one. The paratha looks quite good. Their size is medium, not too big, not too small. Medium size का है, चल जाएगा. And here we have some Amul butter. This is, I don't know what is it. अचार तो नहीं लग रहा. Some masala and mango pickle. So let's try cheese paratha first. पराठा एक्चुअली थोड़ा गरम गरम होता है. दैट टाइम आई फील दैट इट टेस्ट द बेस्ट, बट देन चलो सह लेंगे थोड़ा. ओके, सो वी गॉट दिस वन. आई एम जस्ट गोना डिप दिस इनटू दिस एंड सी व्हाट इज इट एग्जैक्टली. इट काइंड ऑफ टेस्ट लाइक मखनी ग्रेवी. I liked it. घी का बहुत ही अच्छा फ्लेवर आ रहा है एंड चीज़ इज अलॉट लाइक पराठा जैसे होना चाहिए, चीज़ के साथ पूरा भरा हुआ. दैट वे मतलब है लाइक देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ चीज़ इन इट. एंड एक्चुअली पर्सनली आई फील दैट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस थिंग इट्स टेस्टिंग क्वाइट गुड. लाइक यू नो you are getting that cheese flavor and then you dip it into this and then you get that spicy taste. So it's kind of enhancing the flavor of this paratha and I loved it. And I think if you don't have it with this then thoda sa phika pad jayega. And this thing also has some charcoal flavor. Cheese is sufficiently good, but I personally feel if paratha if you ever want to have then garam garam khayenge to zyada behtar hoga, but kuch nahi, I think I loved it anyways. Now let's try the second one. I have never tried chicken paratha ever. In parathas generally there are 2-3 parathas which I really love a lot. Actually not even 2-3, I feel there's just one paratha that I eat a lot and people who know me would definitely know answer to this one. Okay, I forgot to mention, of course I love aloo ka paratha a lot. But I just wanted to try how you know chicken paratha would taste. कुछ अलग होगा ना, like it's boneless chicken of course because हड्डियाँ तो इसमें they cannot put it, right? So let's see. Okay, the combination is actually good. Okay, I'm telling you what is really made me feel like that this paratha is really awesome. This is boneless chicken and then this upper thing tastes like naan and then this tastes like butter chicken. So you know that combination that you get where actually you feel like you're having naan and butter chicken, that kind of taste I'm actually feeling here. बहुत ही बढ़िया taste है, मतलब मेरे एक्सपेक्टेशन से तो बहुत ही बेटर है. फॉर 187 रुपीज़ दिस वन इज रियली टेस्टी एंड एक्चुअली नॉट इवन फॉर 187 रुपीज़. 187 का आधा, लाइक हाफ ऑफ 187 इज हाउ मच. ये पराठा समवेयर अराउंड 93.5 रुपीज़ का है, विच इज़ अ गुड डील. चिकन पराठा विच यू आर गोना which is gonna taste like butter chicken with naan. It's absolutely a great deal, don't you think so? Starter हो गया, पराठा हो गया, and now we are gonna have rice. So rice में there are two kind of rice always. So एक तो होता है बिरयानी, of course chicken biryani, and the other thing is dal rice or curry rice. So here I have called for chicken biryani obviously. So there is chicken biryani and then there is khichdi, but this khichdi is actually कड़ी चावल वाली खिचड़ी. So first I will try this कड़ी चावल खिचड़ी. This one is from Great Indian Khichdi. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. Okay, so here we have rice, achar, some tissues, some papad, this is masala papad. Okay, and oh, they have also given me jaggery. This is kind of good. 1 spoon, fork, whatever. And so this is for rupees 169, but then I got 50 rupees discount over here, so this costed me for 133 rupees. Can you believe? So cheap. मतलब इतना सस्ता खाना, वो भी अच्छा और टेस्टी. And the quantity is quite sufficient. बाहर से ही देख के पता चलता है that the quantity is really good for one person. Obviously 2 people cannot have this, but then yeah, the quantity is sufficient for one person. And then here we have some achar, some papad and some sweet dish. Now let's just go ahead and taste this kadhi chawal wali khichdi. And actually, precisely, if I want to tell you the name, Punjabi Kadi Pakoda Khichdi. So wow, I love khichdi. It's kind of comforting food. Pakode, chote pakodas are there. I'm gonna taste some achar. Khichdi और achar के बिना doesn't make any sense. Wow. I served myself and now I'm gonna taste it. It kind of looks beautiful, right? मतलब कितना सुंदर दिख रहा है. अचार भी लेंगे थोड़ा सा. Wow. Very subtle, guys. Very subtle. Like you can taste ghee, curd, and rice is kind of sticky. Then if you have it with the spicy papad, तो spicy taste आ रहा है. It's kind of well executed idea. Yeah, all the flavors are quite transparent. Blissful. Khichdi is always termed as comfort food. It qualifies for your comfort khichdi. Dish number 4. Here we have my favorite chicken biryani. This biryani is from Bombay Sultani. It's a biryani house. Raita biryani. Let's look at the quantity. I'm gonna serve myself a little. The quantity is quite sufficient for one person. Let's look at the chicken piece. Okay, I think there are 2-3 pieces inside. So before I start with my biryani, this is Hyderabadi chicken biryani and it's the smallest size. It was for rupees 199, but again they were running with some offer and I got it for 144 rupees. And for 144 rupees, this much of quantity is quite sufficient. At least it is sufficient for one person. Just gonna go ahead and grab a bite, taste it, and then I'm gonna tell you good things about it. This biryani is dry. It's not tasting like Hyderabadi chicken biryani. You can say it's normal chicken biryani. It's spiced up with lots of dry spices and पुदीना का भी बहुत अच्छा flavor है. But then it actually, it's kind of underqualified for biryani. मतलब biryani there has to be lot of masala, so there's no masala. It's like flavorful rice with chicken, you know, that kind of feeling. Mostly Hyderabadi chicken biryani में बहुत सारा मसाला होता है. They have वो kind of gravy. All those things are not there. But then I think for 150 rupees it's quite a good deal. But yeah, you know, it's not that great for me at least to term it as chicken biryani. For me, chicken biryani has to be with a lot of flavor, masala, good amount of gravy, those kind of things. So for me, it did not really work. Now I'm gonna taste this with raita. Maybe the flavors will change. ठीक ही है, it's okay. Like, I hope you guys get it what I mean. When it comes to chicken biryani, I cannot really term anything as chicken biryani. It has to have some special qualities, and those qualities are lacking over here. But yeah, if you want to have chicken biryani just like that, then this could be your go-to. Like, for 144 rupees, it's amazing. Dish number 5. This dish was out of the blue because I don't know, I just felt like ordering it, so I did it. This is from Fresh Menu. It was for rupees 229. It is for rupees 229, and then I got 100 rupees discount, so it costed me for rupees 156. This is dragon noodles with dumplings. The quantity is this much. Now let's get a closer look. The dumplings are of small size. There is some gravy which is now little sticky because it's been there for a quite long time. Come on guys, तुम लोग के लिए क्या क्या करना पड़ता है. These are probably somewhere just simply tossed in spicy red chili sauce because the name says dragon noodles, right? So here we are gonna put some. Okay. I liked it. It's really great. I thought that it's going to be little dry, but it wasn't the case. It's saucy, not spicy though. I feel that dragon noodles associate with spicy food. I'm not really sure about that, but that's what I felt. It's like a normal noodles spiced up with some sauces, with Manchurian balls and some veggies. Yeah, they were little salty, but other than that, it was great. So guys, here comes our dessert time. This dessert is from Cold Stone. This was quite expensive. I'm gonna say that out of all the things that I ordered, literally everything was under 200 rupees, but this ice cream was for 213 rupees, and I was expecting something really maybe loaded with lots of ice cream or some kind of 3-layered ice cream, but that was not the case. It just came like in this small dabba. Cold Stone. Yeah, Cold Stone, you're actually really cold. I have heard about this place a lot earlier, and I was actually thinking not to order this one. This was the most expensive thing that we have over here. Like for 213 rupees, guys. This is for 213 rupees. I just wanted to order it, so I ordered it. No rocket science. This is banana caramel ice cream, and I think this is just one scoop, but let's see how tasty and creamy this is. This is little caramelized. You can see over here that kind of gold color. Then some dry fruits. What is this? This is probably banana, and yeah, some dry fruits. Basically dry fruits, banana ice cream, and some caramelized sugar. Now we are going to taste it and figure out what is so hyped about this place. Wow, kind of looks beautiful, no? I just love ice cream. Oh my god, I think I have said it a lot of things that I love. The list goes on and on and on, but come on, I'm a foodie. I'm bound to love everything, right? So I'm going to taste this. I'm gonna say that this is the creamiest ice cream that I ever had. And you can literally taste banana. Banana and almonds are so dominating, you can literally taste them. Also actually added banana chunks, so you're bound to taste it. Okay, Cold Stone, you're a little expensive, but you're definitely worth it. बहुत बढ़िया है. With ice cream, I had also kept this jaggery, which we got it with khichdi. I'm not a really great fan of jaggery. Okay, ow, the piece is kind of hard. Okay, I'm just gonna sink my teeth in. जिंजर का टेस्ट है, but yeah, it's like normal jaggery. I just wanted to taste it because it's sweet. I had to keep it in the end with the ice cream, but yeah, everything was good, guys. Everything was tasty. So guys, our food festival is over. Mind it, just for today. Everything was fabulous. Khichdi, tandoori chicken, noodles, rice, biryani, my dessert. Everything was fabulous. Nothing was disappointing. I loved it, and I don't think so anything that I would not try again. I will definitely try everything that I called for. Khichdi was mind blowing. Tandoori chicken बढ़िया था. Then और क्या था? Ice cream. Oh, I can just have that all day. It was so creamy. So yeah, my experience was totally worth it. 100 के नीचे था सब. Just the ice cream was for 213, but I think that would also fall under the category. So yeah, some of the food was really soul satisfying. Some of the food was craving satisfying, but everything was marvelous. So guys, now it's time to rate my experience on my festive meter. So my experience was, voila, I'm gonna rate 9.3 out of 10 on my festive meter. I think that's a kind of good rating for today, right? I think it was one of the best home delivery food that I had. No, actually everything that I have, I love it because I'm a foodie. I love food. So guys, I think we are done for today. All the details I will mention in the description box below, as well as you can find all the details in the vlog itself, but still, in case you want it, like a quick glance. Other than that, if you have any query regarding the places or you want any help, you can leave it in the comment section below. I will definitely get back to you. If you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna see you in my next vlog. Till then, live life festive style. Bye bye.